You must have seen a lot of YouTube videos in the description of which YouTubers attach links to different products, like the microphone I used, like the camera I used in my video shooting. Well, honestly, I used to believe that this is a way to rank higher in YouTube search and that this is the SEO optimized content. But as I did research to make today's video, I realized that this is not SEO but affiliate marketing. Hi everyone, my name is Parul Prashar, a tech content creator and a national public speaker. I welcome you all to episode 5 of Upskilling with Parul Prashar, and today's skill is affiliate marketing. So, what is affiliate marketing? Understand, this is a skill that allows you to earn money in the form of commission that you generate when people buy products through your links. Understand this in a form of example. You are checking the YouTube description of a famous YouTuber that you like watching. Now you see particular links, maybe the microphones they use, the cameras they use, the setup they have. You decide that I'm also going to buy this particular product and you click on that product. You are redirected to Amazon or any other platform that they have linked. On this platform, you buy that product, suppose it is of 10,000 rupees. And now when you buy that product of 10,000 rupees through Amazon or any other platform, that YouTuber gets commission through the money you have spent. It depends upon the program. Maybe he gets a 10% commission, that is 1,000 rupees for one sale. Maybe he gets a 5% commission, and this depends and varies completely from program to program and even in fact from product to product. So whenever a YouTuber links a particular thing in the description, they are getting paid for each purchase that you are doing from their links. But you do not have to pay any extra money to allow that YouTuber to earn that money. All of these things are happening automatically by the platform. You do a regular purchase, you buy items at regular prices, you're not paying anything extra, but the money that you have been spending, it is getting redirected to the person who has linked that. And in fact, this is not just the case with a particular product they have linked. It also depends upon a number of items that they purchase in a particular day, and I'm going to discuss this in detail by the end of this video, so make sure that you keep watching. Now moving further, I'm going to discuss that how can you become an affiliate marketer in 2025. Understand this, affiliate marketing is not a tough skill. It is extremely easy. You can earn good amount of money, but you get money only when you have made your presence online, only when people trust you, only when people have faith in you that whatever you are selling to them, that is good. I'll give you an example for this. We have the best example for this, that is Tech Burner and Technical Guruji. What they have been doing, they have been reviewing technical gadgets, they have been reviewing iPhones, a number of phones, and they link those things in the descriptions. Now each time after watching their videos, you decide to buy the product through their links, they get paid so much. And if it is a 10% or even a 5% commission on a product that is close to 1 lakh, just think of how much money are they making. And this is just one video. There's so many videos that they have been making. But the challenge here is that you have to build a reliable faith with your audience. See, if those people would have been reviewing products just for the sake of earning money or just considering the fact that I will only review expensive products, they would not have reached here. So you have to understand that first you have to be truthful. If you're not truthful, if you're not doing what is right, don't enter this field. And also understand, this field is not easy. You won't earn lakhs, thousands, crores. If you have the same and you want to do this right from day one, please don't enter here, because I'll clear it right in the beginning. You have to have your personal brand. You have to have a trusted audience who believes in you. And for that, you require consistency, require time, and it requires a whole lot of effort of even months and years. Now, let's dive deep into the step-by-step roadmap that you require to start affiliate marketing. The first step is pick up a niche. Well, understand this. In all of my previous video of the Upskilling with Parul Prashar series, I've always told in the end, do not niche down in the beginning, niche down in the end. If I talk about graphic designing, I always say start with a broader area, then niche down slowly. But for affiliate marketing, keep it very clear in your mind. You need to niche down right in the beginning. And I'll explain you why do we have to do this. See, when we talk about affiliate marketing, we talk about promoting products, we talk about selling items. And this comes in a wide variety of categories, from fitness, fashion, healthcare, to tech products, to educational courses, to educational content and so many other things. And if you do not niche down right in the beginning, you would not be able to build up a trusted audience of one particular category. I'm making YouTube videos specifically for students of who are just entering college, or maybe someone who is 18 years old. So this is my audience. If I build content that is sometimes related to students or college students and sometimes it is about politics, my challenge would not work because a person who is 18-year-old would require a particular type of content, and balancing between those things will not allow me to get to my audience and build connection that is solid and will last to a longer amount of years. So deciding a niche is extremely important. But how should you decide your niche? See, in the beginning you will never understand what is best for you. So you have to explore a whole lot of things unless you understand, yeah, I'm a best fit for this particular thing, or I want to continue this field till the end. So if you're a college student like me into engineering degree or studying computer science, and you can definitely go into tech related products. If you're someone who enjoys reviewing phones, who enjoys learning new features in different phones, then you can go into reviewing tech gadgets. If you're someone who is into fashion, who is into dressing well, who is into deciding what colors to wear, you can go into fashion field. If you're someone who is interested in fitness, who knows how should we make a body fit, then you can choose the field of fitness. When you choose different fields, you have different things to promote. If I talk about tech gadgets, you can talk about phones. You can compare to phones. You can talk about the features of particular phones. You can talk about smartwatches, about laptops, about tablets, and so many other things. This is like endless. In fact, you can talk about your washing machines, your televisions, your microwave ovens. It's a whole lot of niche if you talk about tech gadgets. And in fact, you're not going to choose this entire tech niche. Try to niche down further. Understand, I'm going to talk about just phones. I'm going to talk about just televisions. I will talk about just smartwatches. If you niche down further, you're going to get a whole lot of audience on the platforms that I'm going to talk about in step 2. But if I talk about other niches like fitness, you can talk about the protein shakes, you can talk about the diets, you can talk about the gym clothing, you can talk about the weightlifting parts and weightlifting machines. If you're someone who's going into fashion stuff, you can talk about watches, like which color watch should you wear with which clothes. You can talk about sandals, about purses. Especially in women fashion, you have endless opportunities to talk about because everyone knows that women purchase a whole lot of stuff than men actually do. So this is endless. But knowing the niche is of no use unless we understand completely till the last step. So the step 2 is generate your affiliate links. So these links are the links through which people can actually buy your products. Now you have to generate these links to a number of platforms. The first thing is, if you join the broadest affiliate program, that is Amazon Associates program. In this program, you're going to earn commission through Amazon. You're not going to earn commission through direct brands. For example, I'm using this Apple iPad. If I buy it through Amazon or use Amazon affiliate link, I'm going to get commission through Amazon. But if I generate link from Apple's own website and get Apple's affiliate program, then I'm going to get a different amount of commission as compared to what I'm going to get in Amazon. There's a whole lot of difference. So if you choose Amazon's associate program, the benefit is everything is covered in its program. You can talk about any other product, you can talk about anything that is out there on Amazon, and you're not restricted to talk about particular things. You can talk about literally anything, and this is the best thing if you can do for Amazon. But it has little cons. The first con is that you will not get large amount of money if you use Amazon associate programs, and the reason is that Amazon will pay you commission and not the company directly. For example, if I'm buying a watch of Rado through Amazon and I am purchasing it through Amazon affiliate link, I will not get that much money because you are doing that purchase through Amazon, and Amazon has its own set of commissions that it pay. But if I paste the link of Rado's official website to buy that particular watch, I'm going to get a whole lot of money as compared to Amazon. This is because Rado has different commission rates. So this depends on different things. The first I told you, Amazon associate program. The second best way to master in any associate program is to directly go on a particular website. So if you want to become affiliate for any watch company, say Titan or Rado, go on their website. You generally will find this affiliate programs link in the footer of the websites. These things are not shown openly on these websites in bold letters. So generally, as I have done the research, most of the websites have these things in their footers. I paste some videos for reference for all of you so that you can understand that how you can find these things in the footer. So now you know that how to generate your link, but what comes next is extremely important. Step number 3, that is, where should you paste that link? What will you do with that link if you do not have any place to paste that link and make it reach number of people? So I'll talk about 4 different things, and the importance will increase as I talk about the fourth way. The first way is through social media, through WhatsApp, Instagram. So you can forward it to your friends or family in WhatsApp. If you do not have any good large amount of audience in Instagram or any other social media platform, you can paste those links in Instagram or send it personally to your friends or relatives or your already people who are following you on Instagram. This is going to be the first way. Definitely it's not the efficient way. Why would your relatives or friends buy a thing when they do not actually require? Only those people will buy things from your products that actually require it, and that is why we are going to talk about the other 3 ways. The second way to do thing is to create your own website, but your personal website. This means that you're going to create your own blog post website. Understand, this website has to be about your blog post, because unless you talk about something or write content on your website, nobody is going to reach your website. And this is definitely again not the best way to do things, and I'll explain it to you in a very detailed manner. If you create your website, the first thing is you will have to get your domain name. You will have to pay the company who on which you're hosting a website. Like we have Hostinger. You have to take their plans of 12 months or 2 years or whatever. You will pay those companies, and this will cost you money. And if you're a college student like me, I don't think that you want to waste your money on things that you're just trying out. I do not suggest this way. Creating your own website, first of all, you have to get your domain name and pay on this thing. The second thing is you have to write a whole lot of articles every single day, but you don't know if those articles will reach a large amount of people, and the reason is very clear. Google is changing how they rank content of blog post on its search engine. This is extremely important in 2025, and I understood this while I was researching about my blog writing video. And I understood that blog writing is not that easy as it was in the years back. So if you're writing blogs, Google will not rank your blogs higher. This is because of the fact that many people are creating content through AI, and Google is finding it very difficult to separate AI generated content from human centric content. And that is why creating a blog website, first of all, will cost you money, then it will not rank higher on Google, and the last thing, it will take whole lot of time. It is going to take, in fact, more than a year to actually start earning through your own blog post website, because it is extremely tough for you to rank higher, and that too for a large period of time. So we have the third way of doing things, that is writing blog posts, but not on your websites, on professional websites. These websites include Quora, Reddit, Medium. This is in fact a little better way of doing things, because see, whenever you type something on Google, talk about, okay, so if we take example that review iPhone 14 Pro Max, if this is what we are searching, there are maximum number of chances that these websites would rank higher as compared to other blog posts. Especially if someone is a beginner who is writing their initial blogs, you would not get ranked with your own personal website. So these platforms are getting traffic each day. These platforms, these websites of Quora, Reddit and Medium are getting followers each day, and large number of people are actually trusting these websites every single day because of their own brand name. So if I'm someone who does not have my personal website, but I know how to write content, then I can actually get a whole lot of people who are going to purchase items through my generated link. And these platforms are extremely good way to do these things, because people, when they will search about a particular thing on Google, if they find article on these websites, they know it's trusted and that it's written by a human more than it's going to be written by ChatGPT. So start writing on these platforms, and this is going to make you better at content writing, going to help you reach better audience, and if you review products in a good way, it will make you reach a wide category of people and build your own personal audience faster as compared to step 1 and step 2. So the fourth way to do thing, which is the best way in 2025 in the era of digitalization, is through video content creation. So if you're creating videos out there on social media and you are linking those products in description just like any other YouTuber, this is the best thing that you can do, because see, whenever you're going to understand iPhone rankings, which iPhone is better, Samsung is better or iPhone is better, you're definitely going to talk about YouTube videos as compared to random articles on Google out there. this is what is being followed today. And if you move with the trend in 2025, then this is the best way that you can do things, because if people are watching videos, you're going to get a traffic. You see, my own channel, if I give my own example, I have been creating content from almost a year now. I was not able to get subscribers, but then one video hit a large number of people. One video got approximately 15k views, and this is how my followers and subscribers have been increasing since then. And if you are creating good content on YouTube, good content on social media, you're going to get that initial spike through social media handles, and this is the best way to do things. And this is what I suggest you. Even if you start a new YouTube channel, I told you last time in my video of social media management that I have linked in the I tag above that YouTube has changed its algorithm and it has started promoting new YouTube channels. So see, even if you're a new YouTuber, you're going to be promoted by these platforms, and this is the very good way you can do to start an affiliate program. And if you check the description of my videos, before this, nothing in those links was affiliate. In fact, I did not know what affiliate was. And now I don't know if I'll do these things from today or from maybe the next time. But if you see a YouTube video, if you talk about the description, everything that they have pasted in the description, it's going to be affiliate. So this is your chance to actually get a good amount of audience. And if you create fitness content, if you create fashion content, if you create the tech content, if you create review content, you are going to get people, you're going to build your audience, you're going to build your personal brand. And after this, you will not partner with different companies for their affiliate programs, but those companies will reach out to you saying that, hey, this is the new thing that we have launched, and we want you to review it on your channel, and we want you to talk about this on your channel. And this is the best thing that you can do as an 18-year-old. It will not require much time. It will take much less effort if you compare it to blog. Definitely, I'm not saying that it is not going to cost you hard work. It is going to cost you time. You will have to put in that hard work. But if you compare it to blog writing, it is comparatively, in fact, extremely less as compared to that. So choosing the fourth way is the best way you can start affiliate marketing. Now, the fourth final step of this roadmap is going to be know who to sell to. What do I mean by this? This means that you should know your target audience. You should know what kind of people are you selling your products, and this is extremely important. See, you're not going physically telling people that, hey, try this product out, hey, try this thing out. You have to do it strategically. You have to hit only those people who are in need of those products. And this is what SEO is all about. When we talk about blog post, why it gets difficult? Because we need to hit specific people who are actually out there on the internet, who are actually searching Google for buying purposes. That is why we SEO optimize our articles for buy specific words. And this is what is beneficial if you use YouTube or other video creation content. You should know what your audience is. If I'm making YouTube videos, I know that my audience is 18-year-olds. I know that my audience is basically computer students or maybe college students who are just starting the degree, and someone who wants to earn while they are in their colleges. Maybe those people who are not in top tier colleges of India, those students who want to make up to good things in life. This is what my audience is about. And if I have to make a video for all of you, my videos are going to be about this content. It's going to be about motivation. It's going to be about how my college life is going. It's going to be about the competitions. It is going to be about the hackathons and this stuff. Let's take another example. Suppose you are selling a Vivo phone. You are selling a Redmi phone. This means that your audience are the people who are middle class, who are lower middle class, or maybe upper middle class people. So when you are talking about these things in your videos, you have to talk about budget related stuff. That if your budget is in this much amount to this much amount, or if you're thinking to purchase a phone that is both quality as well as going to serve you in your daily life, only then those middle class people will buy your products. Only then those people will understand that, yeah, I'm able to relate with that person. On the contrary, if you are selling Gucci products, and if you talk about the same budget things, if you talk about the same casual things, this will not work, because half of the people who are going to buy Gucci products, it is just because of the brand name. It is just because of that show thing. And if you talk about budget, that if you have budget of 1 lakh, this does not make any sense. So you need to understand who your audience is. In fact, if you're making video for a middle class person, you have to dress up like them. You have to make them feel that in fact you are also part of them. But if you're making video for rich people, you have to dress up smartly. You have to talk with eloquence in your voice. You have to have a sweet and an appealing voice that those people can understand that, yeah, she is or he is, we have something that we can relate to. So knowing your audience is extremely important, and in fact, this is a craft that you will not find in any YouTube video. You will not find in podcast or anything online. This is something that you need to build over time based on your experience. So whenever next time you watch any video, next time you read something on the internet, do mindful watching. You need to understand that if I'm watching this video, who their target audience can be, what can be their preferences. Or sometimes if you're selling even a watch, you need to understand that is this watch luxury or is it something that even normal people can buy. You need to relate to your audience. And this is extremely important skill. Now all the 4 steps of this roadmap are finally over, and you have understood that how you can become an affiliate marketer. But what comes next is understanding the fact that it is not an easy skill. I told you earlier, you're not going to earn money right in the beginning. This is only going to happen when you have trusted audience. If I am someone who is starting my YouTube channel just now, why will you believe me? Why will you buy my products? Why will you have faith in me? If I'm someone who you have been watching from years or maybe from months, you know that she is truthful. What she's talking about in the videos is right. Only then you are going to do things that what I'm going to tell you. Everyone says that people get influenced from the people they watch online. That's true. And it's only in those cases when they believe those people, when they have been watching those people day and night. Now, I'm going to talk about one warning and one reminder that I want to give you before you start your affiliate marketing career. The warning first. I told you right in the beginning that you have to be truthful in your videos, that what you are talking in your videos is the truth. If the product is nice, tell it's nice. If it is not, you should know how to say it is not a good product. Because if you will keep on praising things just for the sake of earning money, you might get money in the beginning, you might earn initial high amounts, you might get spikes in the beginning, but it will not last longer because your audience will understand that you are trying to fool people. See, if you talk about something good in the beginning, saying that this is a very good product, but later people find out that this was not as good product as you told in your videos, what they will do from next time? Next time they find your video out there in the internet, they are either going to comment something negative about you, or they are not going to watch a video and skip it right at the first place. So building a genuine connection with your audience is very important. You need to be truthful about what you're talking. People should understand that when I'm talking about this person, her or his or her content is the best. They're never going to talk about a lie. Whatever they're going to share is going to be well researched. And this is what you have to do. Why Tech Burner and Technical Guruji have been ranked so higher? It's just because of the fact that they never talk about false things in their videos. And this is what you need to do when you're starting your affiliate marketing career. Second point, the reminder. Understand this, affiliate marketing can bring you a whole lot of money, but it cannot be a major career option for you. Why am I saying this? Because when you are talking about affiliate marketing, where are you going to place those links? You either have to be a content writer, a graphic designer, or a content creator to actually allow people consume your content, believe you, and then actually use your links to buy different products. This is how it works. Affiliate marketing alone cannot bring you money. You have to use affiliate marketing as a side hustle along with your main career option, and when both of these things will go together, you're going to earn large amount of money. Just understand affiliate marketing is a side hustle and not a complete career. Now, this is for your additional knowledge. How does affiliate marketing actually works, and how does that software understand that this is the person we have to pay to? So, whenever a person clicks on your link, suppose in your YouTube description which is about purchasing a microphone, a person clicks on that link, a cookie is installed in their software, not the biscuits I'm talking. But you must have opened different websites and you must have read there accept all cookies or decline them. This is what is the technicality stuff. If you're going into development kind of thing, web development, you will understand this in advanced web development, what these things are. So, a cookie will be installed in their mobile phone which will track the actions of that person. Suppose the microphone that you have linked is of 10,000 rupees and the person purchases that item, he gets some commission, say 10%, he's earning 1,000 rupees. But if that person decides that no, I'm not going to buy that product at present, I will wait for a more time. So cookie remains on their platform, on in their system, depending upon the website they have been using. For example, for the Amazon Associate program, the cookie remains in the phone for almost 24 hours. It depends upon different associate programs that you have been using and different companies that you have been using, because all of these things have a different system for their products. Specifically for Amazon, it will remain on your mobile phone for 24 hours. Now, in those 24 hours, if that person decides to buy that thing again, say that same microphone, you're going to get that commission. Additionally, if that person, besides buying the microphone, decides to buy maybe a totally different thing, maybe a computer, maybe a notebook, or maybe a simple pen, which was not even linked in your description, you will get commission for that things as well, if it is done in the same 24 hours time. The third way which can happen is the person does not buy that item but saves it in his cart. So for Amazon, cookies work in cart for up to 90 days, that is 3 months. So if that person purchases that product in 3 months, you get commission for that product. So this is all about how these things actually work. This is just a brief intro because I want you to understand how they actually work, and in fact this does not really matter in much detail because you're actually here to make money and not learn the technicalities. But if you want me to make a very deep video about how it actually works and that cookie kind of stuff, do let me know in the comments below. I'll make a video on that also. But I hope that you must have understood that how you as an 18-year-old can use affiliate marketing as a side hustle and generate links basically about anything that you have been doing. And this is the way for you to earn money based upon the audience that you are reaching out to, based upon the content you have been creating, based upon the niches. Everything that I have researched out there on the internet is right there in this video. And if you are watching this video till now, I believe you must have understood something important. If you have any further doubts, write there in the comments below. And if you want me to suggest any topic for my future videos, do fill the Google form in the description below. Important links I will attach in the description of my video that are not affiliate at present. So if you want to ask me anything, do let me know. But thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you must have understood something meaningful. And till then, bye, and let's make the best out of our college journeys.